Hello all. This is Parari CEO from Japan. Today, I introduce my car. This is Ferrari 360 Modena. Please make a look at the interior. Do you feel somehow strange? The interior color? No. See the shift lever and shift knob. This is not Ferrari genuine parts. Then, see the steering column. The paddles are removed. You understand? This car is originally equipped with F1 gearbox. Yes. I have modified to 6-speed manual transmission. You may wonder if this modification works well. No worry. This can work well. Today, I will show you there is no problem with this modification. Additionally, I will let you know how to convert to 6-speed manual transmission. Enjoy! I guess you find there is no problem with this manual shifting, very solid and smooth. Concerning this modification, many JDM car parts are used, not Ferrari genuine parts. In this way, the total cost of conversion is very low. If using Ferrari genuine parts, the total cost is estimated as $35,000. This is so expensive. If you can prepare $35,000, I recommend you to buy genuine, factory-made 6-speed manual used car. On the other hand, I know how to lower the total cost of 6-speed manual conversion. The total cost is estimated as 1/10 of genuine parts. In this channel, I will let you know the way. Next time, I will refer to the clutch master cylinder. Please enjoy and register my channel.